Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong special guest ngayon na introduce ko sa inyo. Baka ito maging presidente ng Pilipinas. Sabi ko, baka. Baka kasi talagang ayaw niya. Pero ang kalooban ng Diyos naman talagang natutupad, di ba? Kaya kung yung panaginip ko 70 years ago sa Panginoon yun, hindi natutupad. Pero nasa freedom of choice pa rin natin. Okay, kaya dadalangin natin ang ating guest ngayon. I've known him for more than 20 years as mayor of Davao City. And he has done his job well as the mayor of Davao City. That's why right now he was shot up to national prominence. Although he's only a mayor. But what he did for Davao is now well known all over the world. Because just recently, a survey went out. This is not Philippine survey, but world survey. That Davao City is the 9th safest city in the whole world. Whole world. Kaya, kung ako, nag-alay ako ng buhay ko para sa Panginoon sa kaligtasan ng kaluluwa, si Mayor Rodrigo Duterte ay nag-alay ng